So today I have a client. She came in with this unit on and she wants to take it out. Plus she wants to give it some color, some life. She says it's a human hair unit and she does not want to throw it away just yet. So today I'm just giving her a little consultation. I'm just going to take you guys on this journey with me on today. Do hope you guys like this one. Don't forget to go like, comment, subscribe, and share. When I took the unit off, I realized she was onset alopecia to the front. So I told her I'm going to give her some treatments, treat the hair, and then take it to make it look as beautiful as I can so she don't have to walk around with the alopecia part of her hair still showing. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's just me taking you through the procedure of taking care of her hair, doing the unit, lifting it. I'm going to deposit some color on it and then drying it, giving her a steam, cutting some of her hair, trimming the unit, and then putting it back on her head. Hope you guys enjoy this one. I'll do my best to take you guys along this journey of some of the clients that come into the shop, as long as they let me tape. And she didn't have a problem with it. I hope you guys appreciate this one as usual. If you get some value, go ahead and share a girl out. Don't forget to go on down below, like, comment, subscribe, and share. So right here, you see I'm just assessing her hair. I told her I'm going to trim the extra hair that grows in the back and the nape of her neck so that when I put the unit back on, it will be looking really beautiful. So I decided to give her a 3-part wash. Here at the shop, that's what we do. We don't just do 2 wash, we give 3 wash, and she's all for it. She was enjoying it because this unit has been on her head for a long period of time. I was also informing her that it's not wise to leave the unit on your hair too long. You have to stop and let your hair breathe so that it can continue growing. I hope you guys appreciate this one. If you want to get your hair done, all of the information is on the screen, or you can come on through the shop and get your hair taken care of as well. Do hope you guys enjoy this video of me taking you along what I'm doing with my client's wig unit and also treating her hair underneath. I'm just going to go ahead and play a little bit of music in the background. Hope you guys appreciate that. As per usual, go on like, comment, subscribe, and share. And if you wish, you can follow me on Anna's Glamour Salon on Instagram as well as TikTok.
All of the moments collected in time, perfectly bound like your hand fists in mine. Lucky to find what we're both looking for. It's right. My heart is aching, but somehow in all the right places. You made me feel like enough. I'll never yours, I'll never yours. My heart is racing. These tears are happiness shaking. 'Cause I know that I found love. I'll never yours, I'll never yours. I'll never yours, I'll never yours. Forevermore, I'll never yours, I'll never yours. Rising with soar, forevermore, I'll never yours, I'll never yours.
Maybe I should've let you go. I should've let you just walk on by. Never even said hi. No, no. Then we would never know just how hard it feels to open up hearts, to have to let them go. But we can't turn back now, 'cause we've come too far. to not leave with broken hearts. I guess something inside my soul just couldn't stand to let you walk away so easily. No, no. And maybe in time we can figure out just what these moments are all about. All we guaranteed is a little change. Oh, I don't want my heart to feel this way again. And I just need a little more time to make sure what we're doing is right. I just need a little more time.
We offer this service at the shop, guys, just in case you want to come by and get your wig dropped off. If you may have 1 or 2 or 3 wigs and you just want us to take good care of the wig for you, we wash it, we dye it, we lift it, we steam it, and then you could go ahead and adhere it back to your head. We have this service at the shop. If you're interested, all of the information will be down below as well, just in case you're in the area and you want to bring your wig by for us to service it for you.
To be an easy way. No, no. I hope and pray we at least get just a one more dance.
For some reason, guys, my camera was not taping, but before I put the stocking cap on her hair, the very first part of her hair where the alopecia is happening, I put a bond there that protect the glue on the stocking so it wouldn't touch her scalp. I'm going to try to find that product and put it up on the screen. If it's not there, I'm going to link it down below. It helps to act as a barrier to protect the person who has the alopecia problem scalp.
Oh, I don't want my heart to feel this way again. And I just need a little more time to make sure what we're doing is right. Oh, I just need a little more time, Lord, to make sure that we're doing this right. Oh, I just need a little more time to make sure, yeah, what we're doing is right. Oh, I just need a little more time, yeah, to make sure that we're doing this right. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah.
I've been dreaming about you. Wish I knew what you were up to. Wish I can hit you up just to say I'ma set up a TP and I like you to be with me. We could laugh about nothing at all. I'ma set up a TP and I like you to be with me. We could laugh about nothing at all. Truth is, I just wanna truth is, I just wanna
Truth is, I've been stuck in my feelings these days. I've been up in my bedroom nowadays. Even with the sun shining so bright, I wait till stars come at night so I could dream about you tonight. Truth, truth, up. I get more scared as a damn grown up. This ain't a hookup, we could just burn up. I feel you so close up. I'm so sorry if I close up.
Truth is, I just wanna truth is, I just wanna get close take a slow, baby.
Stay till the morning, tell me you want it. You know I'll go on and on, cause you're too important. I'm honest, too honest. Know if you touch me, I'm gone it. Just say the word and I'll give you all I can. Don't act like this ain't a good time. I'll be in a lifetime. It's been like this for a while. I gave you all my life.
Michelle, you love it, baby?
I love
You
it.
love it? Yeah.
I love it.
The color and all is beautiful, huh?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. It's very nice.
Fall in love, but I want you still.
Oh, I love it.
Good. Oh, man. Who's that girl? Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. She's that girl. Looks really nice. If you guys are interested in getting your hair done, come on down to Anna's Glamour is where it's at, guys. Look at that. I can't even see if it's a weave you have on. It looks like it's growing out of your scalp. Yes, I love it.
It's done. I like it.
Yeah, Michelle, you look beautiful, darling.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.